저는 슬픈 이야기를 싫어해요. What does it mean? If you'd notice, the word in red letters is 이야기를, because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about 이야기. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 382. 이야기. 이야기. This pronounces a three-syllable word. The first syllable is I, second syllable is ya, and third syllable is gi. Pronounce it with me. 이야기. 이야기. The word 이야기 is simply the Korean term for story. Again, 이야기 means story. Now, how do we write 이야기 in hangle? This is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable I, when it offers a no sound iyang followed by an I character. For the second syllable ya, when it offers a no sound or placeholder iyang followed by a ya character. And for the last syllable gi, when it offers a gi character followed by an I character. And then we just need to combine the hangle for each of the three syllables to form the hangle of the word 이야기. Now let's look at this example sentence. It says, I hate sad stories. Again, I hate sad stories. The Korean translation of this is 저는 슬픈 이야기를 싫어해요. Again, 저는 슬픈 이야기를 싫어해요. The Korean translation could be subdivided into three parts. The first one is 저는, which means I. And next is 슬픈 이야기를. 슬픈 means sad, and 이야기 means story. So when we say 슬픈 이야기를, it means sad story. And 싫어해요 is used to say I hate it. So when we say 저는 슬픈 이야기를 싫어해요, it means I hate sad stories. So looking back at this, which is flashed at the beginning of our video, we already know by now that the meaning of 저는 슬픈 이야기를 싫어해요 is I hate sad stories. And with that, you've just learned 이야기. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 372 to 381. But don't forget our word for today, word number 382, 이야기, which means story. The first word for our review is word number 381, 어렵다, which means to be hard or difficult. Next word is 이대로, which is used to say that something is done like this, as it has always been, or as usual. Next is 의자, which means chair. Next is 매일, which means everyday. Next word is 연필, which means pencil. Next is 싫어해, which means I'm bored of it. Next word for our review is 심심하다, which means to be bored with nothing to do. Next is 지루하다, which means to be boring or tedious. Next is 근데 왜, which means but why. And the last word for our review is 몰랐어, which means I did not know. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.